Introducing SAFR SCAN, the first full-featured, intelligent biometric access control edge solution priced for broad-based applications. SAFR SCAN is easy to use and administer. Flexible enrollment options provide easy remote onboarding for employees and for visitor registration. Simply open the web connection to the remote SAFR SCAN device to recently captured faces. Then click on the face you want to enroll and fill in the details to register the user. It's fast and easy with touchless operation. Employees can enroll using the SAFR SCAN desktop software or a remote enrollment station. It's simple. Employees take a selfie and type in their names, and an authorized admin completes the registration process. You can also import large identity databases using the SAFR SCAN desktop management software. High-performance biometric access control made affordable. Only with SAFR SCAN.